Everyone, my name is Muhammad Usman Akram and in this video we will learn about how to glow an object in Blender 2.90.1. So let's get started. Press Shift A to add a mesh and select the cube. Now go to the World Properties option and change the background color to complete black. Now go to Material Selection, select the New and click over the Surface option and select Emission and change the strength of it to 4. You can also change the color from here and select any color you want. Now click here to go to the render mode. See what it will look like. Well, our object is emitting light, but it is not exactly glowing. So to make it glow, go to the render option and tick the bloom option. Now our object is glowing. Expand it by clicking here. Now you can change its intensity from here. You can also change the color what you want. So we have glowed the object in Blender 2.90.1. If you are new here, kindly subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any future tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.